ating si Kim.
Nakalive na yan.
Balik! Kuya! Uy!
You've been in the showbiz industry for a very long time, and how has that influenced the way that you take care of your skin? Siyempre, every day I do showtimes, parang araw-araw na sa TV. So it's really important to take care of your skin. Lalo na araw-araw naglalagay ng makeup and expose tayo sa sun and then sa light sa studio. So it really damages your skin. So it's very important to take care talaga. Lalo na as we age, para we age finely and maganda pa rin yung skin natin. And hindi natin kamukha yung age natin.
I love you, Kim!
Pero yes, can I just say, ang glowing yung skin mo and ang bago-bago ka. Of course, dapat may skincare ka talaga. Kasi parang hindi naman dadaan sa prayers ko. So dapat ikaw talaga ang gagawa in order for you to have a fresh and glowing skin. Okay, so my next question for you is, how is your skincare routine evolved as you grow up? Nag-evolve siya through time, and then syempre meron tayong mga nakikitang mga napapanood namin sa social media. Hindi naman lahat yun babagay sa atin. It depends also on your skin. Tsaka iba-iba syempre yung texture ng skin natin. May mga skin na oily and dry. Dapat alam natin kung ano yung babagay. That's true. And guys, can I just say, sobrang ganda ng social media ng Chinito Princess natin. Thank you. Nakapalo na ba kayo sa Instagram? Yes! Very much. Chinito Princess at alam mo all. Chinito Princess at IG, Princess Chinito on Twitter, and Kimchu on Facebook. Yes, guys, we're going to make sure you have. Kasi si Kimchu to eh. Sino ba hindi may kilala ang aking Chinito Princess, of course. So guys, my next question actually from Ms. Kimchu is, can you share your go-to product from Face by Blue and why is your favorite product? Ako, maiksi lang talaga yung skincare routine ko because I really have a sensitive skin. Of course, wina-watch ko siya with the soap dito, nakikita nyo yan dito sa Face by Blue, and also the hydrating toner. Importante talaga ang maglinis ng face and toner, and of course the sun protection cream may Face by Blue sa umaga and the Miracle Night Cream sa gabi. Sobrang easy lang, kaya sa mga tinatamad ng skincare routine and everything, this is the best. Katulad ko na tamad na ako ng skincare routine, pero it's really important. Kahit 3 steps lang bago matulog and before umalis ng bahay. Glowing na yung skin niya. Of course, not Face by Blue. Okay, so since super important ang skincare, kahit when we go out or before we sleep, what is the skincare step na you never miss? Wash! Wash ng face talaga. Actually, makeup can cause acne, breakouts, or kahit anong dumi sa face, kailangan ko talaga tanggalin after. That's true. Actually, yun yung parang advice ng mom ko sa akin. Dapat wash your face before you go to sleep. Kasi importante talaga siya. At marami tayong mga cancers dito from Face by Blue. Okay. Can you share any specific skin challenges that you faced and you were able to tackle or break out from that? Siyempre, sino dito yung meron pa, tsaka yung may monthly visitor, siyempre hindi natin may iwasan yun. And pag meron tayong visitor, siyempre meron din hormones natin at that time, yung hindi naiiwasan na. So, make sure lang that we do the kahit 3 steps na ating skincare in order for us to take care of our skin. Tsaka yung pimple, hindi rin naiiwasan. Kaya always tayo maglinis ng face. Yes! Talaga may one part of growing up.
So, yung mga teenagers dyan, nag-start na kayo sa skincare journey niyo.
Yeah, skincare journey, like 3 steps. It's very easy and very fast.
Okay, now to our last question before the meet and greet. Are you guys excited for that? Okay, you know, sobrang happy sila. Kanina pa. Gusto niyo?
Thank you so much, Pag-antay.
Hardworking. Ayan. Okay, last question. What piece of advice would you give to people who are just starting out with skincare?
Piece of advice, maging dedicated lang sila sa kanilang skincare routine and don't be afraid to try these products. Tsaka, pag hindi bagay sa'yo or hindi lang sa'yo, like change it. Kasi, wala, yun talaga. Pero ng life, kailangan baguhin ang baguhin hanggang maging hiyak and maging okay yung skin mo to that kind of product. So, Face by Bloom is very, ako, I have a very sensitive skin, pero with Face by Bloom, sobrang hiyang siya sa skin ko, kaya I really use it religiously.
Actually, that is such a great advice kasi kapag hindi hiyak or hindi na nagsiserve sa ating life, kailangan baguhin. Anyways, and also sa skin. Sa skin.
True!
Skin. Ano na kayo? Ang ganda mo! Thank you so much, Miss Kim, for sharing your answers. Giving us some insight on your skincare. And I'm sure you guys have all been waiting for this moment.
First time daw nila.
First time. First time eh.
Oh, ayaw niyo sabihin, di sinabi ko na.
Kim!
Special moment with our Mika friends. We'll be asking a few questions to Miss Kim Chu. So you guys ready for a few questions? Alright, here we go.
Kim!
Hello, nice to see you again.
Okay, besides skincare, what makes you unique is
Tapos ang sino mag-taping, medyo light lang yung ginagawa ko lately, so I get to do things that I want, kasi gusto ko rin naman mag-taping, mag-shooting, pero nakakapagpahinga ng maayos, nakakatulog, marami time for myself, so I think, tsaka happy. Yan, at maging soon. Thank you so much. Ito naman po ng casing mo, very soft.
flavors.
No personal questions. Hindi ka naman yan. Sa face by Bloom, ano ba ang mga pag-drinks?
Napapangiti ko, napapasaya ko. Kayo din yung dahilan kaya nakapasaya.
Si Paolo na lang, picture right mo.
Actually, the first time I tried yung product ng Face by Bloom, bago kami mag-pictorial, subukan ko muna siya sa face ko kasi gusto ko pag ilalagay ko siya, parang ipopromote ko siya as how I experience the product.
So, ako, sensitive yung skin ko, sobrang mabilis siya ma-irritate. But with Face by Bloom, sobrang skin-friendly siya. And sa mga starters, nakakasimula pa lang yung skincare routine, parang this is the best product na pwede nilang gamitin. And very easy steps lang. And konti lang yung kailangan nilang gawin in order